Greetings, Ascended Nation. So I'm coming to you with a general reading. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. I greatly and truly appreciate it. So let's go ahead and get into this message. Remember to always take what resonates, what does not resonate for you. Do not feel obligated to make it stick to your life and or situation. So I did use my house's DIY oracle. I used my Broken Mirrors oracle. I used the Kipper deck, my Truth Teller deck, and then tarot. All right, so the first house we have here is marriage. All right, the number 7 could be significant. The month of July could be significant. What is that? Cancer, Leo energy could be significant as well. The 7th of any month could be significant also. 7th house is ruled by Libra and Venus. So values, beauty, and love is significant. All right. So we have the 9 of Wands. So Sagittarius energy, 9th house could definitely be significant as well. Or the 9th of any month, the month of September could be significant. So I'm getting some sort of persistence, okay, when it pertains to maybe keeping, maybe I don't know. I feel like it's something that you could be striving for. That's what I'm getting. And this could be you wanting to be a wife and or a husband. Okay. So I'm getting the energy of you striving for something. Okay. And you keeping the faith. Okay. As well. That's the energy that I'm getting here. To further clarify that, we have this is your winning season. So yeah, something definitely is going to pay off for you. Okay. So do keep that in mind. And definitely keep the faith when it pertains to whatever this vision you have for yourself. I hear Spirit saying. Following that, we have unexpected income. So yeah, you being taken care of is definitely significant. Okay, and when I say that, I'm talking about God, Divine Mother and Father, making sure that you are taken care of, because the 9 of Wands does represent the wounded warrior. So you could be someone who has been through a lot. Okay, the number 27, the number 9 again. Okay, so 99 you could be seeing. All right, but something significant about some sort of financial opportunity or financial stability is definitely significant here. Okay, next, to clarify this marriage energy, because I was picking up, y'all know I pick up both sides of the coin here. So with this card, it says Inferno. All right, chaos, job loss, everything crumbling. I feel like someone who is in a marriage, okay, maybe this is a karmic partnership or relationship. Okay, I feel like everything is falling for them. Okay, something is definitely crumbling. Something could have been built on a false foundation, I'm hearing. Okay, so to further clarify this, we have missed opportunity. Okay, so this could definitely be someone who missed an opportunity. Maybe someone got married for money as well, because Spirit is bringing my attention to the unexpected income and then the chaos, job loss, everything crumbling. Okay, so yeah, whomever this is, someone missed an opportunity. Okay, fatal attraction could definitely be significant here. And then we have Nipsey Hussle victory lap in reverse. Okay, so something was unsuccessful. Okay, whatever this karmic relationship or partnership was. Okay, due to the fact that it was based on false pretenses. Okay, we then have change. So yeah, we got 3 nines here. 999 is definitely significant. I'm hearing the winds of change. Okay, so definitely a huge shift in current energy. All right, so following that, we have subconscious. All right, this speaks of the 12th house. The 12th of any month could be significant. December could be significant as well, which is Sag Capricorn energy. Okay, the 12th house, which is ruled by Pisces and Neptune, is significant as well. All right, something could be significant here about spirituality and magic. Okay, maybe someone used magic to obtain something. Okay, the mind, the mental could definitely be significant as well. But to further clarify this, we have the 4 wands in reverse. Okay, Aries energy could definitely be significant. So an emperor energy or a father figure, an authoritative figure could definitely be significant, and something is being turned upside down. Okay, so some sort of conflict. Okay, lack of communication, home conflict. So conflict in the home is significant here. Okay, to further clarify this, we have Sugar Mama. confirmation. We have sugar mama. All right. So something could be significant. Like I said, someone getting into something for money, okay, for pentacles. All right. So there is some sort of discord or some sort of disruption when it pertains to a home, a masculine, and a sugar mama. Okay. We then have family rooms. So yeah, the number 21 could be significant, which is world energy. Okay. Something could be maybe publicized, or someone could be in the public eye. Okay, someone could be watching or on the World Wide Web, something of that nature. Someone could do something on the World Wide Web, and Spirit is bringing my attention again to 1221 here. Okay, so something is significant here about someone mirroring something, something being mirrored back. Okay, something could definitely be significant about some sort of tower moment as well. I'm picking up. All right, there could be some sort of communication also coming out with this 21 reducing to a 3 on this family card. Okay, something could definitely surround a family with that 4 wands in reverse. Okay, a family home, a home business, I'm hearing as well, could definitely be significant. So following that, we have unfinished business in reverse. Okay, so someone, this could be a family, okay, that has it maybe in their mind, or maybe they're trying to manifest some sort of reunion or reconciliation or forgiveness or proposal. This came out in reverse. It's a no. The universe is blocking whatever this energy is, okay, because it's due to the fact that these individuals clicked up to go against you. Okay, so this is why it's being blocked. This is why it's going unanswered. Okay, so to further clarify this, this could also talk about someone you may have had a family with. Also, I'm getting. Then we have main male in reverse. I was getting a King of Wands in reverse energy off of this card. Okay, because the first house is ruled by Aries, okay, and Mars. So something could be significant here about someone who is very hasty. Okay, someone could lead with lust or something of that nature. Someone feeling unmotivated and stuck could definitely be significant as well. All right, someone feeling weak could be significant as well, or someone who is not a leader could definitely be significant. 211, I'm saying too. All right, so some sort of information could be coming forth or coming out. Okay, following that, we have emotions, foundation, which is the 4th house. Okay, so something could be significant about the month of April. All right, that is, what is that? Aries, Taurus energy. Okay, so the 4th house could be significant Cancer energy, the moon. All right, so things hidden. I just said something about some sort of information. All right, also emotions here. So something could be significant about someone who was trying to hide their emotions. Okay, or someone could be emotional about this information that is coming out. All right, to further clarify this, we have the 5 of Cups. So yeah, Scorpio energy could be significant. Someone or people are having to accept some sort of loss. Okay, some sort of setbacks are definitely significant. Okay, to further clarify this, we have my mother sold me to a pimp. Okay, so something could be significant here where either a feminine or a masculine is finding out that they were sold off as a child, unfortunately. Okay, so this definitely could be significant, or I'm also getting like sex trafficking. Okay, so yeah, something could, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Something could definitely be significant here about some sort of sex trafficking and false marriage. Okay, that's what I'm picking up off of these 2 cards. To further clarify this, we have sudden realization. And yeah, that's what this just felt like a light bulb moment. Okay, so something is significant here about some sort of sudden realization when it comes to this information surfacing. We then have the message card. Okay, so yeah, like I said, something is definitely coming out. Something is definitely coming forth. I feel like individuals try so hard to keep this covered and hidden, especially with that, like I said, that moon energy, that 4th house energy. Okay, but something is significant here about a message. Okay, this definitely, the 7th house talks about business partners. Okay, so this definitely could talk about some sort of false contracts or some sort of contractual agreements. And I did mention a false marriage. Okay, but something is coming out, something is being revealed. All right, so we then have snooping in reverse. Okay, so with this snooping coming out in reverse, the gang stalking, the divination abuse, the social media trolling, all of that is coming to an end. All right. This is something that has backfired. This is something that is coming out. Possibly it was even being investigated or looked into, and something is coming to an end. It definitely could be this information that is coming forth or coming out. We have wearing a mask, she's jealous of you. So something is significant here about a feminine energy who was divination spying. This person is behind some sort of gang stalking. Even if they're gang stalking you themselves, I'm picking up for some of you, someone who watches you on social media as well. Okay, this person is extremely jealous of whomever you are. Okay, following that, we have the Grim Reaper is here. So yeah, it's time for individuals having to pay. Okay, definitely. Following that, we have she's there while you're at work. Okay, so something could be significant. This is definitely giving me eyes. Okay, the heels have eyes type of energy. Okay, like people watching you, could be driving past your place of work, even if you work at home. Okay, something of that nature could definitely be significant. And then we have imprisonment. So yeah, these people are going to jail. Okay, the number 29 could definitely be significant. The number 11 could be significant. So something could be significant here about a group of friends. Okay, because 11th house talks about groups and friends. Okay, so now these people are facing some sort of prison time due to the fact of their actions. All right. So that is everything I have for you, collective. Oh no, it's not. I got signs. So some signs that could be in relation to this energy is an August Virgo. We have a March Aries. March Aries did come out in reverse. We have a September Virgo. September Virgo came out in reverse. We have a Sagittarius, a December Sagittarius. We have a October Scorpio. October Scorpio came out in reverse as well. Okay, so this could talk about a significant change when it comes out in reverse. Okay. November Sagittarius came out in reverse as well. A January Aquarius came out in reverse as well. A January Capricorn could be significant as well, came out in reverse. A February Aquarius. A June Cancer. A December Capricorn. A May Gemini. A September Libra. A October Libra. And a May Taurus, all significant to this energy. All right, so that's everything I have for you. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll talk to you in the next one.